Okay, hey guys, I am here. Today I'm making a food coloring explosion with milk. So first we need some food coloring.
That's not food coloring, that's dish soap.
I know, but put food coloring, milk, a plate.
Oh. There's milk in a bowl.
And a stick.
Food coloring, and there's a stick. Okay.
And rolls.
Okay.
So first we put the dish soap on the stick. It'll go away, buddy, now. Okay. Second of all, we just put food coloring like this. Look. 1. I know that it looks small. 2. But it's going to be big. 3. Oh, it's already bouncing back. And 4. I'll just put 1 extra drop to every.
Okay.
Or maybe not. Okay. So now you just dip the stick in.
Wow. That's kind of cool.
Well, it looks like a... Whoa! Okay. Guys, I'm making... 3! There's 3
Look,
little...
I see the face of Jesus in your milk and food coloring experiment.
What is happening now? It's getting... Okay.
Boom.
Hmm.
Boom.
Here. Here. This is amazing. Come on. Come on.
And now it's turning a
Pinkish
brown, gray.
Whoa, make gray out of
Now
food.
you have to drink the milk.
What? Okay.
No! You really did it? Creeper Plays just put his tongue in that milk.
Yep.
Alright, what do you say?
Always subscribe, always like, always comment. Never drink this, okay?
Never drink that.
Goodbye.